morning, this is John Piper with the weekend video clip, and it's Saturday the 16th of August, and this is a chart of the Dow hourly. Hope some of you paid attention to the chart yesterday. It worked really well. You recall I put the 5 waves in, 1, 2, 5 wave 3 to there, 4, 5. A, B, I said the C wave was almost finished. I then gave you 3 levels to watch, 16814, 12, sorry, Fibonacci 61.8% and the 50% level, around 167.40. I said that watch out for reversals in that area. Came in straight away yesterday. I had actually sold a few, sorry, I put a limit in to sell some Dow, let me get this right, before the, in fact the previous day. That got triggered. I think it was 167.50, so quite. I mean, that's the kind of trading I don't actually recommend to other traders, because you can come really unstuck, and it's, you have to be quite cautious in my position. You don't want people complaining about being wiped out because they took a trade, which of course can happen if you're incautious with the size. The thing crashed down, and I took profits actually around here, and I sold a few more at the close last night, which is currently in a loss situation. The position we have here, I mean, these things are never 100% certain, as we know, but we've got with a 1 wave here, we've got a potential 2 here. We now have expiry out of the way. We have the reversal. We have a 1, 2 here. So there is the possibility of a sharp wave decline here, and any move below there would trigger a big call, which I'll be sending out at some point in time. Let's have a look at the shorter term action. Okay, we have no clear wave pattern here. I mean, that could be a 1, 2, I suppose, but we're clutching at straws a bit. That could be a 3, ABC, possible 4. This looks like a 3-part 5. So the wave pattern here is not good. No clarity there whatsoever. This is a 1-minute chart, by the way. You can see by the thing there and there, actually. We have then got an ABC, though. A, B, C, B wave, A, B, C, and then a C wave up to there. So okay, there is certainly a case we're going to go down from here. This is a key support level. The stop would be up here, so it's quite a big stop. I mean, the Dow is quite dynamic market. There's a 200-point stop there at the moment, which is obviously something you have to bear in mind, because obviously that affects the position size. You can of course use tighter stops. You could use the high with the high here. I mean, we don't know what the high is yet. It may go higher, of course. That remains to be seen on Monday, but if we use this level here as an extreme stop point, and I'll put a link to the extreme stop system in the report, then you can choose the stop you want to based on where the high then is. So, but that is a big call signal at the moment, which say I'll be sending out. So there's a fairly good case that we have reversed on the Dow now. We just need to see a break below there to confirm that. At that point, we would expect a sharper fall. As they have expiry. I mean, in this case, the fall came on pretty much bang on expiry. As soon as the Dow opened, it fell back. So that's that. Look at the DAX. Very sharp reversal on the DAX as well. Because of the pattern here, it looks a little bit different. So let me get this chart in the right places. Right, because of the pattern, this looks like the 3rd wave to there. So it could be that we're seeing this could be a 5th wave rather than a 3rd. I say the pattern on the Dow is very clear, suggesting that we're going to see a big fall now. On the DAX, it could be just see a 5th wave decline. So that remains to be seen. In comparison, a very muted fall on FTSE, and I mean, what was about 50 points. You see, it has done nothing to dent this rally particularly. FTSE still looks a lot stronger. Go out at upper level. The pattern here still remains very corrective, with a sort of A, B, C. And this is fairly strong. We're now actually just below. We closed just below the 200-day moving average. So again, we actually blipped up above the 200-day moving average yesterday, but closed below it, which is another negative. I mean, there are a bag of negatives building up here. But of course it depends on what happens on Monday morning, and that remains to be seen. Nikkei Dow, for weeks, maybe months, I've been saying a C wave decline is possible here, having got the A, this rather protracted B now, A, B, C. So a C wave decline is certainly possible. Currently along with the stops below, I think it's here actually, well I think 13,500, I can't remember precisely, but it's on the TTT sheet. So a C wave could stop us out there. I need to be a bit cautious with that perhaps. I mean I'm holding here long term, as it were, as I've said before. Having seen this protracted move, the Nikkei could see some relative strength here, as I've been saying, but certainly there is a C wave decline possibility on Nikkei. Alright, a quick look at the other two American indices we look at occasionally. S&P 1990, obviously 2000 looming. Having got so close to 2000, I mean that is a magnetic influence there. Nevertheless, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A, B, C. So again, we've got the reversal, bounce back, and that would be the key point to short the S&P with a stop currently above here, but or above the high here, depending on where it actually lies. So same pattern as the Dow. On the Nasdaq, we have a much stronger rally. We peaked here at 3997, I think 60 cents thereabouts. Possible 1, 2, 3, 4, and somewhat messy fifth wave. So anyway, it looks impulsive, but then so does this. The rally looks pretty impulsive. I mean, very strong rally. Same reversal, but stronger again, going back up again. I mean that looks less of a short. Yeah, that's it with the Dow for now, I think, and the S&P perhaps, depending on your preference. I mean, both markets have different characteristics. Nice gap yesterday, nice gap close, which the Nasdaq market system caught well, as did the Nasdaq robot we're currently beta testing. Right, we'll now have a look at gold. Right, here's the hourly chart of gold. We saw a big spike down yesterday. I've been saying we should be holding long small positions, non-official as it were. That big spike was actually a buying opportunity. I bought some more gold. Actually, I bought about here. In fact, it wasn't the greatest trade in the world. I mean, one could have gotten in a bit earlier, I suppose, but I wanted confirmation that we had, we were going back above 1300, so sort of 15-point stop, as it were. My stop's below there at the moment, so you want to go in that, and you have the opportunity. Well, market's not open right now, but you may well get in at a better price if you wanted to. The key thing here, really, I think, is this rally here. Is this an impulsive 5 or not? I mean, it's debatable, really. I mean, we can see it count as 1, ABC, 2, B, C. Then we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. That could be a 5 there, but if that's a really subnormal 4, then a final 5th. So the jury's out on that. However, this A, B, C, as long as this low holds, looks like a clear ABC. So this may be, we may about to launch off in gold. We have got expiry out of the way. Expiry is often pivotal. It may be that we're now going to take off, and if so, then there will be a big call, because I mean, obviously I've been saying we should buy in gold for quite a while now. So those of you who want to be positioned, have your own approaches, will no doubt be already in the market. Those of you waiting for a big call, well, that's obviously your preferred style. The stops will be below there, and I guess a penetration above here would set the scene there. So another $20 odd. Okay, that's all on gold now. Right, finally look at pound dollar. No real change here. We're seeing the 1, 2, 3rd. Well, could go to there. It depends how you want to count it. 4th there perhaps, and there's a rather strange 5th wave thing, which of course could extend into one more decline to make it a complete 5. Still looking for a corrective rally, which to go short of pound dollar, and that's somewhere in the future. We now have, of course, expiry out of the way. That's, as I say, often pivotal. Looks like it will be with Dow, S&P, possibly on gold. So I need a bit more confirmation there. Maybe pound dollar as well. Right, on that note, I will end this report. Hope you found it interesting and useful. I'll be back on Tuesday morning. So have a great weekend. Thanks for listening, and bye.